Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys a Dollar Tree haul. I just finished filming a Disney related Dollar Tree haul that I think will already be up already. So if it is, I will link it here or down below in the description box. If it's not up yet, because I don't know which one's going to go up first, then stay tuned in the future. It'll be coming up real soon. But this is stuff that is home decor related, either sort of Valentine's Day related or spring or, you know, that sort of stuff. So I have a bit of a huge haul, not overly huge, mostly floral heavy, but anyway, let me just hop right in and get to it. So the first thing I picked up was with Miriam in mind because she's been talking lately about having popcorn out of a red and white tin. So I don't know where she saw that or what, but she's really been talking a lot about that lately, and anyway, I thought I'd indulge her. So I picked up these things here. There are two of them, one for Jude and one for Miriam, and you know, they just will hold a little bit of popcorn. We'll make our own and put it in there, and I thought she would get a kick out of that. So I got that for her, but then I got this for actually me. I know it's not the healthiest thing in the world, but I love a good white cheddar seasoning. This is from Colonel's, but I was able to find it at the Dollar Tree. I've never really looked for it before, but this is the first time that I saw it there, and so it was right beside the popcorn thing, and so I decided to pick it up for myself. So anyway, that'll be for a little treat sometime, maybe over the weekend or something like that. We will do that. So there is that, and then the next thing I found is this super soft microfiber cloth. It's got perfect texture there, really soft. I thought this would be good for a DIY to make up like a pillow of sorts. So that's my intention with this cloth here, which is why I picked it up. Then I just picked up some lens cleaner for my glasses, and it comes with a little like cleaning cloth. So I got that for travel. We're going to Florida, so I thought this would be good to take along with me. So that is that there. I have a bigger bottle that I use sort of at home, but I thought this would be good for travel. So pick that up there. And then this is for the house. It is a doorknob and wall shield. So we have a playroom door that has opened up, and there's just a little bit of an indent in the wall. And I don't want it to sort of become a big hole. And so I found this. I'm gonna put it on the wall. I know you can have that little thing that sticks out of the wall at the bottom, but it's already got an indent, so I kind of want to cover that up without doing like a whole project. So anyway, I just thought this was the easy way out, and it was only $1.25, so I thought that would be easy, and I will put that up probably after this video. Then I picked up this super simple little wooden heart. I thought I could sort of maybe do some artwork or something on that for Valentine's Day, although we won't be at home for Valentine's Day. I thought it would be nice to sort of do up anyway, and maybe when we come back it'll be there. So I may make it like Valentine's Day, but also maybe sort of springy or something like that. So I was super excited to see that they had those big succulent picks back at the Dollar Tree. They had them a while ago, and then they stopped carrying them, and they just had those little teeny tiny succulents in those little containers, like the black and white containers with the styrofoam. But they have these big succulent picks back, at least they did at my store. So I picked up this one here. I picked up the ones that I thought were most realistic. So I thought, like, I really liked that sort of deep green color. So that one there, and this one here I thought looked very realistic, so I got that one. Actually, I picked up two of that one there. And then the last one I found was this one here, sort of spiky looking, and I also thought looked kind of realistic, like an air plant. So anyway, I was happy to pick up those four. I know that succulents have been sort of popular for a while, but I'm totally still into them. So I just love green, and I love green plants. So I have started, you know, having real plants in my home, but I'm not a huge green thumb yet, so I still like the faux ones as well. So speaking of plants, I got this white planter. It's ceramic, and this reminds me of something IKEA would have. I don't know how much it is at IKEA because their stuff is also pretty cheap, but I've never seen this at the Dollar Tree before. Usually they have sort of brighter colors and stuff like that, but this was just plain white, and I thought maybe I could write something on it with some type of marker or something like that. I don't know, do something fancy with it just to sort of spruce it up, or I could leave it just plain, but I thought this was cool. I was going to maybe pick up more than one, but I just held back and just got the one. Then this next item is not home related, but I gotta be honest, when I go to the Dollar Tree, I usually pick up treats. So I got this Reese's Pieces, not Reese's Pieces, but the Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. And there are 4 in this pack, which I can appreciate because usually it's just 3 and it was only $1.25. So pick that up there. And then I also picked up this big roll of craft paper, but this was actually from the Dollarama. So it was $2. So I didn't check. I went to the Dollar Tree today. I didn't check if they had the craft paper at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. But anyway, I picked this up from the Dollarama. It was $2 and I can just use this for crafting. So wrapping, you know, that sort of thing. So pick that up. It's always a good staple to have on hand when you're feeling a little crafty. And then the last things that I picked up were a whole bunch of flowers for Valentine's Day, wintry flowers, and then greenery and sort of stuff for spring. So I buy almost every season some flowers from the Dollar Tree. So I've got sort of a big collection of ones that I like and that I keep from year to year. But when they come out with new ones or ones that I just think look a little bit more realistic, I will sort of buy them and then get rid of the less realistic ones. So the first one I found was this one here. I loved this pink color. It's kind of like a soft pink, but kind of like a hot pink at the same time. So that's there. There's a little bit of orange detail in there. I just thought that was really, really pretty. And I like that the, you know, this part here was like a bit of a brown color. So pick that one up there. This one was from the Dollarama, but it was $1.25. Then same type of flower, but in like a creamy white. I picked this one up here. So really like that. I thought the height would be nice in a bouquet or something like that. They just call it decorative stem. So I don't know like what type of flower this is, if it's even based off a real flower. I don't know, but I like that one there. And then this one here I debated getting because it was actually $3. That's the thing with the Dollarama. You can get up to $4. So this one was $3, but I really, really liked it. And I just thought that it looked pretty realistic. Something you might find at Michael's or something like that. So anyway, sometimes you have to sort of go with what's available to you. So even though this was $3, I was happy to pick it up. We don't have a Michael's in town. I would have to travel into the city to go to Michael's. So anyway, for $3, I was happy to find that one there. And then I found this one here, which I always like. I've bought this one in the past. It's sort of like, looks like lavender almost. And I liked that it has that green that looks a little bit like white. It's frosted, or I don't know what you say. Maybe not frosted, but anyway, the really nice green there, soft sort of sagey green. So picked that one up there. And then I picked up 2 of these greenery pieces here. And then I picked up one of these ones here that looks just a little bit more spiky and has a bit more yellowy of an undertone. So anyway, those were the flowers that I picked up, and that was actually the last little bit that I have in my haul. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, please consider subscribing so you don't miss a video in the future. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!